Today, we're doing something that might be sweet and lovely. It's called a Sweet and Lovely. Start off with this one. There's no fun little things about this, which is a shame. It's been a while since I read a funny thing from this book. One of these days, it's 1 part maraschino and grenadine. It says half and half. And I'm starting off with the small side of the jigger because, I mean, you'll see. Alright, we got grenadine first. Fill this up about halfway. And I'm kind of thinking I'm just going to throw a cherry in there because that'll top her off. Cherry. Both things in the thing. And then 2 parts lime juice. So it's like a shot. That usually equals out to a full lime. So we're going to do a full lime because that's going to taste better. Bam! It's half, another half. And then after that, this Sweet and Lovely is 3 parts gin and 5 parts Applejack. So 3 parts will be 1 tall, 1 small. Rinse some of this grenadine out of here. 1 small and 1 tall. Then 5 parts of this Applejack. Applejack! So we got 2 talls and 1 small. Math. And the small. We'll want to add some ice here. Then you're going to want to shake it up, obviously. You want all those ingredients getting together. You don't want that maraschino separating from the grenadine. You don't want that gin taste to be on its own without the Applejack. All it needs to go together. The lime is included. Anyways, this is shaking. And here we go. That's a fairly reasonably sized drink. Glad I didn't go tall boys on that. That would have been a nightmare. Would have been 8 shots. Alright, hey, you want to try this thing?
Okay.
This is called Sweet and Low.
Sweet and Lovely.
Yeah, Sweet and Lovely.
That's Sweet and Low.
I think it's Sweet and Lovely. That's fine. Whatever.
That sounds cute. In our sugars glass,
It's very fancy. They're custom.
it smells like apples.
Apples and lime is like kind of a weird combo, but maybe at least...
Oh no, it's good.
Is it good?
It's really good. Ooh, I like it.
It's tasty?
Yeah.
Shocking. It is sweet and lovely?
Oh, yeah.
Oh snap, that is really good.
Yeah.
I'm shocked.
I like it.
That's delightful. Try it, Sweet and Lovely. Have yourselves a
lovely.
sweet and lovely time and day, or whatever. I think I have to help my wife.
This sucks!
I got it! Like and subscribe!